sometimes the hardest thing that we have to do is actually let go of a situation. And we have grown accustomed to a bond. And it's like, dang, I done already formed this bond 222. As I'm saying this, I've already formed a bond. But if you see that it's not working and you constantly have to force a situation, you constantly have to force, there's no effort that's being put on the other person's part, and it's only you might want to just go ahead and leave that situation, because it's only going to continue to drain you and stress you out. Today, I honestly have been battling with the situation for a few weeks now, and I've been trying to decide whether I want to go ahead and cut this connection, or do I want to continue to nurture it. And as much as I continue to try to nurture the situation, I see that it's not a perfect fit for me. It's not the fit for my lifestyle. And only thing that it's done in this time, it has stressed me out. It has stressed me out to the point where I'm just like, okay, I'm at my wit's end and I can't deal with it anymore. When you come across, and it doesn't matter if it's relationships, friendships, jobs, whatever. There are certain connections where you see it is dead. And as much as you continue to try to water it and nurture it, it's not growing. You have to cut your losses, because what's going to end up happening is just going to stress you out. So I'm saying all that to say, choose wisely, okay? Know what connections to continue. Know what connections you have to go ahead and rid yourself from.
Stay in the second or third lane from right.
As they say, you have to know when to hold them and when to fold them. And if the pros and cons, if there's more cons than there are pros in the connection, you have your answer. Okay? Nobody's perfect, but I do feel as if when you're actively working towards being